After a harrowing year of event cancellations and gathering restrictions, the Expo circuit is back with a bang in 2021. One of the key construction events on the calendar is the Civil Construction Field Days in Queensland, which had its inaugural show back in 2019. The show was first put together by the Civil Contractors Federation of Queensland, which recognised the gap in the industry for a state-specific trade expo.
There hasn't been anything like this in Queensland for a long time, and we just felt we needed to plug the gaps. And looking at what we've done, this is our second year, and I'm really happy with what the result we've got at the moment. If there's ever an industry that relies on relationships and camaraderie, it's the civil industry. So this type of thing brings those relationships back together. There's nothing more important than people being able to understand who they're doing business with, seeing a face, being able to talk to them, enjoy a laugh, and just understand the hardships that both customer and also the equipment providers been through.
This year, the Civil Construction Field Days partnered up with the Brisbane Truck Show in a bid to attract more visitors across the board. Those who bought tickets to either show received entries to both. The Construction Field Days this year was held in Hamilton at the Northshore Riverfront event space, a short 15-minute drive from the Brisbane CBD.
The main thing was, I think there's a bit of a recognition that our members own trucks. There is a bit of a crossover with the two industries. Some of the trucks also too, they handle a lot of the smaller civil equipment. So I think that synergy was the main thing that drew us, and there's no doubt, running in numbers as well as a draw card is an absolute benefit for both the truck show and for us.
This year, the field days had over 50 companies sign up to display their services and wares, and organisers hope to attract several thousand visitors through the gates over the 3 days. Key draw cards at the show include the Caterpillar stand set up by CCF Queensland's major partner, Hastings Deering, which was filled to the brim with Caterpillar's latest range, as well as Komatsu's comprehensive display in celebration of the Japanese company's 100th anniversary. A massive Caterpillar 657 scraper took centre stage at the expo, sporting a special decal in celebration of 100 cat scrapers delivered to Queensland contractor Quentin Bird.
The people who come through the gates to see the equipment, I hope they get something out of it. I hope they see the latest technology. Hopefully they can get some good deals and buy some good equipment. For people who are not in the industry, who may come to the show, it's a good opportunity for them to actually see what we deliver. I hope there's a greater understanding and appreciation of the industry generally.
The Civil Contractors Federation hopes to stage the next show in 2 years' time.
It takes a lot of effort to put a show like this together. Our plans and our vision would be to make the next show bigger. I really hope that the key thing is, out of this, everyone has a great time and looks forward to the next one.